REALME C1, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation on that device by using the REALME settings. So at the very beginning, let's find and select here settings icon. Then from the following list, let's scroll down and choose here additional settings. Afterwards, choose here backup and reset and select here factory data reset. So here, if you would like to accomplish full reset, you need to choose erase all content and settings. So this will erase all personal data, settings and downloaded apps from your device. If you are aware of this, let's choose erase data and complete the operation by typing erase data again. Let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start simply activate and use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.